Dom here from Essential RC. Thanks for tuning in for another flight test. This is the RC Era H145, which we have looked at before, but this is a new scheme. This is the Swiss air rescue scheme. So let's take it out of the box. You of course get instructions. You get your USB lead to charge up the flight batteries and some tools in there as well, because you do get spare main blades with this should you break the blades. You can order it, I think, with 1, 2 or 3 batteries. This has come with 1, so you charge that via a USB lead. You get the spare blades there, you get the controller, the radio transmitter, and you get the helicopter, which looks rather good. So let's take it out. I'll put some AA's in the radio transmitter and let's get ready to get it in the air. Okay, so everything out of the box. What do you think of that? Good looking helicopter, I think. Red being my favourite colour. So let's turn on the transmitter first. Then we take the front off, the front canopy off. That has got a light on the front, so don't pull it too hard because there is a wire connecting it. Then if you look on the front of the battery, there is a lock and unlock. It's unlocked at the moment, so you have to put it in that way up. So we do that and then slide it across to lock it, and there is a switch at the top, so you turn that on. The lights are flashing because it's waiting for the radio. So on the radio we have to go up and down again, and that is bow bound to the transmitter. That's good. So let's now put the canopy back in place, click that back in place, and we're ready to go. Straighten out the blades on the rotor, and just to show you before I fly the main things you have on the transmitter. You've got the sticks, obviously, flies much like a drone, but you've got 3 speed modes here. You've got an emergency stop button there, but that will kill all power, so you don't want to be more than a foot off the ground, otherwise, because it's going to drop out the sky. And I think that's it. Oh no, important, 2 buttons, take off and landing. So to take off, you can actually use these sticks and put them down to the outside. That will start up, and then you can use that stick to go up, or you can use auto takeoff if you want. Landing, the landing is quite good if you use the button actually, because it eliminates ground effect if you're using the stick, but I'll demonstrate that in a moment. Here we go. So first thing you want to check is that it's not drifting too much, so that's hands off, which is pretty good, I think. Not moving too much. Maybe a bit of back trim required. And I'm on the slowest setting at the moment on that slider on the transmitter. So I've got full control. I can go on the right stick, I can go side to side, I can go forwards and backwards. That's full forwards and backwards on the stick, and I can, on the other stick, on the left stick, I can go round and round, or yaw axis as we call it, so that's round and round, and obviously up and down. Just trimming it out a bit more. It's drifting a little bit and climbing. All right. So as I said, this is the slow mode, so forwards and backwards. And you can see that light on the front. Let's try the middle mode. So you can see it's a bit quicker. And if we go to the fast mode, that is full forwards and backwards in that mode. Quite a bit quicker. Quite an agile little helicopter. Right, okay, let's bring it back. I'll put it into slow mode again. Bring it back. So if I use the stick, oh, not as easy as it looks. Try that again. Oh, just off. See, I think it's harder to do on the sticks, but if you use the landing button, which I'll try now. There we go. I think it takes some practice to land it on the spot. So there we go. That is the C190, the RC era C190 in this Swiss air rescue scheme. Good looking heli. The link for this is in the video description and the pinned comment. But thanks for watching this quick essential RC flight test, and see you for another one in the near future. Bye.